Bro, look at all these Lambos. Welcome back to Beemer Fam. They got the dogs and the mini cyber trucks out here. The M4's parked up right there. And we're in the middle of Lamborghini Row, R34. A lot of supercars at today's event. Also a lot of people too. So we're gonna walk around, check some of these cars out, see what's good. The livery on this SVJ is super nice. It's got like a Red Bull race livery carbon hood. I like the kit on it. We obviously seen this pink Lamborghini recently as well. Crazy spec on it. The wheels were white last time, changed them to black. Got more SVJs. Love the spec on this with the white wheels. Got the bikers rolling in too. There's some of the main cars in the meet. Nice Huracan, well, a few Huracans. This one's got like a reflective tint on it. Nice wheels. This one's got a crazy livery and a wrap on it. Carbon hood. And we have one of DDE's cars here, the Murcielago. All kind of mods to that. We're gonna check this out closer up in a second. We got the Z06 out here with the gap cam, BBS wheels. Check out this Mercedes. Got the fluffy wrap on it. How do you even wash this, or do you wash it? I've never seen anything like this. This JDM car has a huge turbo right here too. Look at that. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, DXZ-TOZ. DXZ is known for making industrial borescope cameras that's fitted on a cable that's perfect for working on anything automotive, aircraft, plumbing, or construction related. And as soon as we open this thing up, we're greeted with the camera itself. Just look at the size of this camera. It's absolutely tiny. This thing also comes with the full digital screen, so you can see the feed of the camera real time at any moment. With a very simple setup, all you have to do is plug in the monitor to the controller and just hold the power button. The camera's LED will light up and you'll see its real-time footage on the screen. And then if you use this dial down here, you can actually move the camera on a 180-degree swivel. For example, if we aim this down here to find a sensor, use a scroll and find the exact sensor we're looking for. Click this button right here, you can take photos, and if you hold it down, you can take real-time video, and the files will save to the SD card that comes with the camera. Whether you work on your cars yourself or not, this is going to be an absolutely amazing tool to have inside your car at all times, especially for those emergency situations where you might need to diagnose something that you can't physically see. And if you're interested in getting yourself or a loved one a DXZ camera, I'll leave all links in the description. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's video. Man, this M4 is crazy. The CS with a huge wing on it. Main lot is back behind this fence, but we have some nice cars in the overflow lot as well, including this mineral white metallic E92 M3, same color as my F82. Nice clean E30, white on white interior. Got the dice in the mirror too. But then look at this, the jet black E39 M5 always makes me miss mine. But then we also have an 8 Series as well, super clean spec on it, kind of like a wine red. M color seat belts.
I love the seat belts.
Chanel loves the 8 Series, right?
I want one of these so bad.
Or E36 M3 has Audi S4 seats. I've never seen that before.
As long as you guys want, enjoy some burgers. My buddy here is going to talk more about the buns and what there are about.
As you can see, they started the Lambos up, man. That Corvette right there got a parachute on the back. Sounds absolutely insane. Look at the diffuser on that too. Got white wheels, super cool interior. Pieced out here too. It's R34 with the pink spec on it. That is a crazy wing on setup on the back of that. Golly. Check out this E46 M3 V10. Has a full carbon plenum on it. Did a full build. It's a manual transmission as well. It's got the BBS wheels. Absolutely bang on spec. Hopefully we see this thing later on the road. So it sounds like everybody's starting the engines up. We're gonna go ahead and get on the road, hop inside the M4 and have some fun. So it's safe to say we've been kicking it cool with the Lamborghini drivers lately. This meet is insane. Holy snap. we're sounding crazy right now. Bro, look at all these Lambos. 50, get it cracking out here too. We're gonna go to G80, boys. Hey, what's good? Nice to see you.
We didn't think we'd catch you guys on the freeway.
Yeah. Hey. Not the Temu G80. M6 Grand Coupe, all type of mods. Got a wing on it too, that's crazy. Damn, over here too, got a wide body Adro G82 M4, nice purple M2. Spec on that is beautiful. See the DDE Murcielago parked up. Got the crazy blue interior, the livery on it is crazy. It's also E92 M3, more SVJs. Love the BBS wheels on it. The livery on this car too. I mean, already the amount of people at this meet is insane. The kind of diversity of cars. You got all the JDM boys here, all the Hot Boy Civics lined up right there. Got Huracans. Looks like Chanel likes the SVJ in pink. You got the Z4 wide body race car out here too. The livery on it is crazy. Look at the wide body. This is a legitimate race car. I think it's got the E92 M3 V8. And of course, they're treating it proper dinner table, big wing on it. That's what you do. Bro, the amount of cars here is just nothing short of epic. What is this? So we're gonna be following Chanel in today's video. She's gonna walk us around the meet. Super clean E92, peanut butter interior. This is crazy.
What's going on?
It looked like a musical instrument.
Yeah, I was gonna say, tell them.
Yeah. Crazy E36, individual throttle bodies, some kind of like SEMA build. They got their boys in here chilling on the simulator in the BMW too. We got some nice cars in here. This G80 M3, McLaren with a nice wing. We also got the Vorsteiner G82 M4. It's got the hood, the front grills, the carbon bits, BBS wheels, the wing on it's proper. Not only is this not a wrap, this is paint signal green, but you've got the buckets on the interior as well. We've seen this car a few times. It looks absolutely insane. Looks like this place is storing a whole bunch of cool collector cars. Got a wide body Porsche up there, got Ferraris, Japanese R32 or R33 GTR. Just look at all these cars pulling in right now. Got an R34 that's kitted out. Mostly stock Bayside blue R34 GTR. I think this is like a V-spec, maybe even the NER edition. BBS wheels on it, proper spec. And the wheels are popping, but look at the interior, right-hand drive. It's crazy, these cars have appreciated to at least like 200,000-300,000. Here goes yet another R34 GTR. It's got a crazy color on it. Work done in the interior, the engine bay. All the Japanese writing. I love these cars so much. It's even got green carbon on the mirrors. Wow.
I love this color.
The M-Spec NER, that is crazy. That's crazy. Clean M2 BBS wheels on it. M4 with the orange buckets on the interior. Bro, I mean, the cars just keep pulling in. It really don't stop. Got more cars parked up over here. Got E92s. Super clean E92 M3 in Laguna Seca blue. Got BBS wheels, bucket seats. Super clean build. I love the trunk on it too. F80 M3.
That was pink. Yeah, that's
Got the
what I
full
wanted.
family in there. That's epic. Satin black. Oh, that is nice. Got also a Ruby Star E90 M3 with a wing on it over there. A few more exotics over here. McLaren, got the R8. Then we got the old school R8 over there too. All the older school 911. And even more cars pulling in. E46 M3, crazy. Almost never see modified M6 Grand Coupes. And this one has pretty much every mod available. Wing on it too, got the wheels. Tail lights too, that's epic. Look at the gloss white on the Civic. This ain't no regular Civic, this is a race car. Fully stripped out interior, got the net, bucket, one seat. Damn, the M2 is crazy. The RS is crazy. The G80 is crazy. Man, look, another GT3 right here too. In silver. He must be getting all type of women with that license plate. Bro, this E92 M3 is so clean, man. I like the diffuser on it a lot. The wheels, the color's popping. We got full carbon on the GTR. And I kid you not, this is like one of the biggest car events I've ever been to out here in Southern California so far, especially recently, but you can tell everybody's excited for spring and summer to start. And this is kind of what you get in Southern California. You get events like this, cars like this. There goes another SEMA car, Agile wide body. I love the color on this, but you can see how much wider this thing is from stock. All the aerodynamics is really cool on this build. The wing is crazy. Damn. It's got the laser taillights that we just put on too. The hood is going wild on this. I really like the super clean purple on this M2. The alloy wheels, that spec is banging. What do you guys think about this though? This thing is absolutely wild. Love to see it in person. Man, we're looking at this Agile wide body, but across the fence, we see this big semi. But if you look on the back, it says M4 GT3 and BMW Motorsport right there. So is there a GT3 race car inside of this trailer? Who knows? So as you see, the meet is kind of coming to an end. Everybody's hopping in the cars, getting back on the road. We're gonna do the same. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.